my sweet subscribers and many beautiful friends from around the world. In today's video, I'm taking you on a final walkthrough of Chellesglamhome. You may have noticed that I've been a little quiet on YouTube lately, guys, and that's for a very big reason. One of them is that we've sold Chellesglamhome, and it's now time for a new chapter in our life. We spent 9 amazing years in this home, from every DIY project, every inspirational pic, and every YouTube video that I created in this office. I loved sharing this with you. I loved sharing this journey, and it is very bittersweet. But today is the day that I said goodbye to this chapter in my life. We have been extremely fortunate in selling this home quickly, and when I found out that the house was sold, unfortunately I got unwell, so I spent the first 2 weeks of packing it up sick, but I'm pleased to say that I did recover. But you can imagine that packing up Chellesglamhome was definitely a challenge as I was unwell. As you get older through life, you start to realise that if you have hopes and dreams, they don't have to be someday. They really should be today. So that was the decision we made. My hubby and I had dreams of other things to do in life. So that's the reason we chose to sell Chellesglamhome. So what's in store for my YouTube channel now, guys? To be honest with you, I really don't know, but I definitely want to still upload videos for you all. I'm still going to start uploading every Wednesday like I did at the beginning of the year. I'm going to take you along to home decor stores, lots of shopping videos while we navigate on where we're headed next, and I'll definitely keep you updated so I'll be able to share with you when we do make a decision of where we're going and how I will be decorating it. Isn't it amazing to see a home when it's empty? When I moved in here 9 years ago, I just started my YouTube channel, so I didn't do an empty house walkthrough. So I was very excited to share this with you all. So of course I can look back and remember the memories of the home when it had nothing in it. I want to share a dedication to my amazing hubby, guys. I want to dedicate this video to him because at the end of the day, he created this amazing home. I could not have done it without him. Yes, I came up with the ideas, but I certainly couldn't have done what he did. He really is extremely talented at what he does, and I couldn't have created this home the way it is without him. yes, guys, I will definitely miss my beautiful chandeliers. It was one of the main things that I loved about this home was adding chandeliers in the home. It was so glamorous and so beautiful. So I'm going to leave you here with an amazing poem I found about home on Pinterest and exactly how we're feeling. Home is where the heart is, but my heart a fluttering being. Am I then homeless? Is that what it's saying? For years I lived in a place I called home, afraid to leave, afraid of the unknown. But how can you people so easily replace the old? How can mornings and nights without family not feel so frightening, so cold? How can happiness find me when I am miles away? How can peace stay beside me when they say I've led astray? Home is where the heart is, but my heart a fluttering being. My heart sees experiences, it sees people. Home to me isn't a place, it's simply just a feeling.
It's not about meeting in the middle. I've been chasing after